See, chapter 4 linear equation in two variables, part 1. So, first we will see standard form of linear equation in one variable. In lower classes also you will study it. So, what is the standard form of linear equation in one variable? Ax plus b equal to 0. So, linear means you should remember the variable power should be 1. That is linear equation. Okay. Now ax plus b equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 and a and b are reals, real coefficients, real numbers, that is a and b. Okay, you can have real numbers. And a not equal to 0, a equal to 0 means what will happen? You never get a linear equation. Clear? So a not equal to 0, very important condition. Okay, then a and b are reals. Now see the example, 5x plus 2 equal to 0, 7x minus 3 equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0, root 2x plus 3 root 3 equal to 0. That means a and b are reals, any real given fraction also you may have. Clear? Real means all numbers you can have. That is irrational number and rational numbers are called real numbers. It has only one solution. Linear equation in one variable has only one solution, that is unique solution. Unique means only one. That is x is equal to minus b by a. This ax plus b equal to 0 plus b, bring this side minus b, then divide a means you will get a solution. X is equal to minus b by a is the solution of ax plus b. Same way, x is equal to 2 is the solution of x minus 2 equal to 0. That means x is equal to 2. So solution means it will be satisfied in this equation. You put the value x is equal to 2 here. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, left hand side and the right hand side should be same. Clear? Then it will be satisfied. Means solution. That is the value is solution. X is equal to 2 is a solution of x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, next we will see standard form of linear equation in two variables. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form. Where a not equal to b not equal to 0 and abc are reals. abc are reals. Example you see. 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. See the powers. 1. X variable power 1, y variable power 1. That is called linear. Okay. So now second. 4p minus 2q plus 5 equal to 0. Here also you see the power. Both power 1. That's why it is called linear equation in two variable we used. Okay? That's why it is two variable. Here one variable we used. That's why it is one variable. Clear? Same way, 2u plus root 2v minus root 5. You can have real number. That is irrational numbers also. Clear? Then 3s minus 3 root 2 t equal to 0. Here constant term not there. Constant term is not there. Okay. Constant term is not compulsory, but both variable term is very important. Clear? Two variable, any variable you can use. You can use any letter. S, T, P, Q, U, V, like that you can use. Here you see. X coefficient may be 1. 1 is also real number. Okay. X plus y equal to 0. Then 1 by 2x fraction, you may have fraction 1 by 2x plus 3 by 5y plus 9 equal to 0. So these are examples of standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay. Next you see exercise 4.1. First problem. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So first you see the statement. The cost of your notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Twice the cost of a pen. That means if you keep unknown as x, here, let the cost of a pen be x, means then the cost of a notebook easily you can find out equal to twice the cost of a pen. That means 2x. Here y equal to 2x. Easily we can find out. So you have to read the problem, okay, correctly you have to read the problem. Then you have to assume the unknown. Here, that is the cost of a pen B rupees X. Correctly, you have to assume that. Then you write the linear equation two variables to represent this statement. You will get a linear equation in two variables. Okay, you see. Let the cost of a pen be rupees X. Cost of a pen be rupees X. Therefore, and cost of a notebook be rupees Y. So cost of a pen be rupees X and the cost of a notebook be rupees Y. Now you come to this statement. Therefore, by data or according to the problems. Okay. The cost of a notebook. Cost of a notebook. Cost of a notebook is what? Y is equal to twice the cost of a pen. Cost of a pen is what? X. Twice means 2x. 2 into x. Therefore, this can be written as this y you bring this side means 2x minus y. 2x minus y equal to 0. This is required. This is required linear equation in two variables. Two variables. This is required linear equation in two variables. Okay, so very easy. Easily you can read the statement. Easily you can make the linear equations according to this condition. Okay, so next we will see the second problem. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicates the values of a, b, c in each case. So first problem you see, the problem is given 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar given. So you have to write in this form. You have to write in this form. Then you compare that a, b, c values you have to write. Okay. Now you see the standard form you have to write. The standard form is this equation you are writing in the standard form. Standard form is 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. Here a is x coefficient, that is 2. B is y coefficient, that is 3. And C is with sign you have to write constant term minus 9.35 bar. Okay, so like this you have to write A, B, C value. Okay, first you write in the standard form of linear equation in two variable. Here this form you are writing. Then you are finding the values. How will you find out the value? Compare. See x coefficient A. Here x coefficient A is 2. Y coefficient B. So here y coefficient B is 3. So B equal to 3. Here constant term C. So C is minus 9.35 bar. Okay. Come to second problem. Again the standard form is, first to write is standard form is 1 into x minus 1 by 5 into y minus 10 equal to 0. Here there is no number, means you can write it as what? 1 into x. Okay, 1 into x you can write, or you write simply x. Clear? No problem. For understanding purpose, you write better 1 into x, so that you can easily compare. A equal to 1 you can write. Okay, where that is here A is 1, B is y coefficient minus with sign. That is very important. Minus 1 by 5. Then C is minus 10 with sign you have to write. Clear? You see the third problem, you write the standard form. The standard form is minus 2x plus 3y. Bring that 6 this side. Minus 6 equal to 0. Minus 6 equal to 0. Now here what is A? Minus 2. What is B? 3. What is C? Minus 6. So we got A and B, C value. We got it. Clear? Now come to fourth problem. X is equal to 3y. The standard form is this 3y bring this side means x minus 3y equal to 0. Okay. Now you write 1 into x minus for better understanding. Clear? Plus 0 equal to 0. Okay, constant is here 0. Constant is 0. You can write it. For our understanding purpose, you can write it. Clear? Now here compare. Here A is 1. B is minus 3. Y coefficient is minus 3. C is 0. There is no C term. So you can write 0. Clear? You can add 0. Okay, no problem at all. You can add. That's why you can compare. Compare means easily we can write A value, B value and C value. Okay. Without writing this also you can write it straight away. Okay, for understanding purpose, okay, you write better. So same type of problem I will give it as homework. Okay, do the homework problems better practice. So in the next part, we will see solution of linear equation in two variables. Clear?